This one's pissed. This one's pissed. This one's pissed. Who wants to see some fishing content? Let's go. First we got one of these bad boys. Hook. All right, let's catch some fish. Oh my gosh, there's so much going on out here. Oh my gosh. Look at this huge family of geese. A whole bunch of little babies. Oh, bobber down, bobber down, bobber down. You guys, I missed my opportunity because I was trying to show you guys the bobber. No! No! After trout bite once, they typically don't bite again for a while. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes. I was coming back to the dock after getting something from the truck. And I freaking got one. Oh, this one's mad. It's mad. Oh no. It got off. It got off. No way. The hook got stuck in the net. Dang it. Oh yeah. Yes. Oh, this one's mad. Oh, this one's flying up in the air. Oh, yes, baby, let's go. They're eating now. Yes. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's get this one in. This one's pissed. Oh my gosh, it's pissed. This one's fucking pissed. This one's pissed. This one's pissed. This one's pissed. This one's pissed. I got it in. I got it in. I got it in. Yes. Yeah. Let's go. Chunks. Chunks. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! All right, guys. We're at zeros. Let's see what this baby weighs. 1.6. 1 pound, 6 ounces. 16.5. It's a pretty good one. All right, guys, that wraps up today's video. If you want to see more content like that, then get on the hook and stay here with me and let's catch some more fish. All right, guys, today is the freaking bobber and worm. We're killing it. I got multiple bites. I switched to spinners one time and it just was not working. So we're gonna continue to do bobber and worm, no power bait, bobber and worm, baby. Let's go. Let's catch some more fish. Stay tuned and we'll see you next time. Let's go.